Hi, this is Paul from the Phone Repair Doctor, using Primo Seal for electronics, test 1. Real water. So we applied the Primo Seal to the outside of the phone and to the interior of the phone. We took the phone apart, sprayed the board, all the components, connections, etc. Giving it a light wipe with a cloth, and then we're going to open it up and see how much moisture is on the inside. And we have 0 moisture on the inside. There's no moisture on the back cover. And there's no moisture on the inside of the phone. So, in our opinion, it worked.